Alright, I gotta admit, TikTok and food have become my obsession during this quarantine. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, just came across this video, make sure to subscribe down below and join the family. I don't know about y'all, but this whole quarantine I have been obsessed with TikTok. Comment down below how many hours you guys are spending on TikTok. Comment down below your TikTok usernames because I want to know and follow you guys. So yeah, this quarantine, obsessed with TikTok. I'm trying all the new dances, trying to become TikTok famous. It's not really working, but yeah. So I thought today's video would be a really good idea if I tried viral TikTok hacks that I have seen on TikTok and liked and favorited. So I'm going to be trying 3 viral food hacks and I can't wait to show you guys. You guys have probably already seen these, but this is going to be me trying them. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite hack I chose. And without further ado, let's get started. Yay! Welcome to my kitchen! Hey guys, it's Gordon Ramsay and welcome back to Hell's Kitchen. No, I'm just kidding. I'm in my kitchen now and I'm going to attempt at the first TikTok hack. There is a video of the TikTok. The first hack I'm going to be trying is an Oreo mug cake. It looks really simple because you could basically like put in the mug how many Oreos you want. I think I'm just gonna do 3 or 4 because, well, obviously I love Oreos, but like I think 4 is enough for a cake. And then you could fill it in with milk. I'll probably do almond milk or oat milk. And then it says microwave for a minute, so I'm gonna do a minute and then see if I need to do it longer. I heard 75 seconds too, but yeah, let's go. I think I'm gonna go with, I need like I think this one. This one's like deep enough. Yeah. Okay, so this is perfect. In our basement, I found this 3-pack of double stuffed Oreos, so I'm just gonna use that. So first thing I'm gonna do is put my Oreos into the mug. Okay, now the TikTok said, I can't talk. Now the TikTok said to take a fork and kind of jab it until, because it's going to be easy to come apart because Oreos crumble. Like, if you guys know, if you leave an Oreo in milk too long, okay, it's like getting there. I'm like excited. I just don't want it to explode. So I think this is the consistency you want it. So I'm gonna throw this in the microwave for a minute. And we're gonna see what happens. Y'all, I'm scared. It's like the perfect consistency. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, it's like hot. Of course it's gonna be hot, Ashley. It just came out of the microwave. What? And there's no time limit. Well, update on this. Next time I make it, I would probably try to microwave it a little longer because it kind of tastes rubbery, but for just Oreos and milk, like, if you want like a late night snack and you were gonna eat Oreos anyway, like, this is good. Probably like a 7.5 out of 10. Like, it's really not bad. Okay, so the next TikTok hack I saw was coating pickles and hot Cheetos, but I don't have hot Cheetos, so I'm gonna use cheddar and sour cream chips because I also don't like spice. And I have these bread and butter pickles. You could probably use whatever pickles you want because it'll stick to it. I'll insert the video right here so you guys can see. So I'm only gonna do 1 or 2, and if I like it, I'll make more. And yeah, let's get into it. So I don't have flaming hot Cheetos, so as I said, I'm gonna be using cheddar and sour cream ruffles. And I put a few in a bag, and I'm gonna whack it with a spoon until it gets crummy. And I will come back to you when it's full of crumbs. Okay, so now I'm gonna take said pickle. Nah. And we're kind of gonna let the juice, okay. Take said pickle. We're gonna put it in the bag and kind of roll it around. Actually, I'm gonna use my hands. Okay. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's like covered with chips, and now we're gonna try it. I'm really scared. Oh my goodness. That's actually fire. So for this TikTok hack, I would have liked to try it with hot Cheetos because I love hot Cheetos. I'm sure you can use Takis too. Any kind of hot chips. I know there's like flaming hot popcorn. Or you can do what I did. If you want like not spicy. Oh my god. Okay. I rate this one a 9 out of 10. And now for the last TikTok hack, I am going to be making whipped coffee. I heard that the whipped coffee is really strong, and I love coffee, but I like my coffee sweet and not overpower. I can't talk. So here is the TikTok of the whipped coffee. You need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. I think this is the full thing. Probably. Just gonna. Got my coffee in there, and now we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna fill this with water. Okay. I heard this takes a while. Okay, I'm gonna update you guys when it looks like something else and start. Take 2. Update. We flopped. We're gonna redo this because we use cold water and not hot water, and apparently that's what we're supposed to use, so give us another try. Okay, so I was doing it 2 tablespoons, but now I'm gonna do it 1 tablespoon and see. Okay, this is take 2. Now we're gonna go ahead and start whisking.
Do a smaller one.
No, the bigger one will work better, right?
No.
This is my sister. Say, hey guys. Sorry for that, my card was full and we just deleted some old clips, and I'm gonna clean up while my sister entertains you guys. Yay. Okay, I'm back. She's doing so great. Okay, update. This is what it looks like. I really just don't think I'm doing this right, so I'm gonna take this as a major L. I think it's the kind of coffee I use. Comment down below how you guys make whipped coffee, because we tried and we flopped. Pizza time.
It's going to disappear one day. It's like a miracle. It will.
Okay, so I know why I flopped with the coffee. It's because I used ground coffee and not instant coffee, and that's why it wasn't whipping. And literally the tutorial said instant coffee, so I don't know why I didn't think of that, but my name is Ashley. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, again, make sure to subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what your favorite hack was that I did.